So we'll do its launch. Let's do the deactivating the traction control or whatever you want to call it. So apply brake, disable brake, turn VSA on, VSA off, apply brake, VSA on, VSA off. Boom. So that's off. Let's see if you can. If you see it, they're both blinking, so that means it's deactivated. Do one more. That felt good though. Still bangs a little bit. So yeah, I recommend the Hasport street version, race version, whatever you want to do, but either one's awesome. It's kind of, I don't know if you guys have seen videos, but when the engine torques, how much movement it has right there and power loss. It's crazy, but that shit feels solid. Good job, Hasport.